Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are going to explain the complete function and working of this controller. This is the Perkins EIM controller. EIM, the full form of EIM is Engine Interface Module. Okay, this is most of time coming in a Perkins generators. Okay, and how that's work and how to troubleshoot and how to fix it and what is this indication light and this fuses and also these two grip connections. Okay, before the starting the video, a small request to all newcomers: if you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more its update videos. So let's get started. Okay, we have two rating this EIM interface card. One is 24 volt and one is 12 volt. Okay, the working of this controller is this control tree thing. Okay, and also monitoring the engine speed. Okay, as you can see, only let's figure out the 1500 or 1800 frequency and you will indicate from here we have our speed or under speed. Okay, and also we have three fuses, two grips. Okay, let me explain each of fuses, indications and also the connectors. Okay, as you can see here, this fuse for the starter motor. Okay, if your engine won't crank or does not crank, if you have when you have also the interface card in your generator, first of all you need to remove this fuse and check the continuity. Okay, after that, as you can see, this is our glow plugs. Okay, if your glow plug is not turning on, not working, you need to remove this fuse and check the continuity. Okay, and also the last one, as you can see, also the rating is mentioned on it. Okay, as you can see, little bit I want to zoom it. 52 amperes for the glow plug. Okay, 25 ampere for the glow plug, 20 ampere for the cranking, and also 15 ampere for the fuel solenoid turning on and off. Okay, if your engine does crank but does not start, you need to remove this fuse and check the continuity. Make sure your fuel is turning on with the cranking. Okay, as you can see here, we have three indication light. Okay, when you cranking the engine, this should be on during cranking position. Okay, when you turning on the glow plug, this light, red light is glow up, should be in a during the turning on the glow plugs. Okay, and this is the continuously this is turning on when your fuel on. Okay, this is the indication light for the cranking, glow plugs and also fuel solenoid. Okay, as you can see here, we have two grips, 8 pins and 4 pins. Okay, this is the inputs and outputs for the starter motor, battery inputs and also cranking and fuel turning on and off. Okay, and glow plug supply. As you can see here, this is the complete diagram of this all pins. So I hope to watch this videos. Last one, as you can see here we have small potentiometer inside here. Okay, we cannot see clearly on a mobile camera. This is when this light is turning on, that means your engine speed is over speed or under speed. Okay, that should be off. Okay, turning on the clockwise, this full start the engine, turning on the clockwise, this full, and then slide slowly counterclockwise rotation, and finally when that lights is go off, that means your engine speed is stable. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you all next time. Goodbye.